Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Discord problem on Bumble app. To know how to fix or how to find the solution about Discord problem on Bumble app, you should just go to settings. And first you can go to the window of apps and you can click on Bumble. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the error, so you can delete your account. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.